Hi there. So here we are at the workbench. I just wanted to say a couple of things. There's been a surge of new members lately on my channel, so we're up to 151 members. Thank you for signing up. I appreciate that. I never thought that anybody would watch these videos, but I very much appreciate all of you. Thank you for signing up, and if ever you want to see me focus on working on a project, please mention it below and I will do so. I'll try to do so. Anyways, so welcome to the channel. I may actually make in 3D a plaque saying 150 because we've broken 150, and so it might be 150, and I might put the plaque on the wall there. We'll see about that. That'd be a fun project. Maybe cast it in aluminum. That'd be really fun. Anywho, here's the project for the next couple of weeks. This week is going to be a slow week. We've had some family tragedy happen, and I have to deal with that for this week. But next week, we will be going ahead with a few things. One of which is this project right here. This is components to build a signal generator. We need a signal generator to work on the synthesizer. I can't proceed with the synthesizer until we can test it with a signal generator. So that is why we've not been working on it lately. Now a good signal generator is $150 and up to thousands of dollars, and I can't afford that. But to build a good enough one is fairly simple and requires nothing more than an Arduino, this module here, which is a signal module with a crystal sink, an amplifier, a 2-line 9-segment display, and a pot or two, and some software. And that's it. So this is much less than $50 worth of components. And that, combined with this repaired Tektronix, which I got for $25 and fixed up, the video for that is in my channel, will let us continue with the synthesizer and build a very nice analog synthesizer. I am looking forward to that. And then next week, 2 weeks from now, we will work on this project. This is a iPod 5.5 that I got in the mail a while ago before Christmas. It's missing a hard drive and a battery, so those will be easy things to add. And not only will I add a hard drive, I will make it SD compatible, so it'll run off an SD card. So that'll be a 2 week from now project. If you're interested in that, please tune in. We will be making this run on an SD card if I can get the components. That'll be a lot of fun, and it's very simple, a very easy thing to do. And then this will be another very nice functioning 5.5, and I have an iPod 4 coming in the mail, which is an iPod Photo, and it's dead, and so we can have fun looking that over as well. Maybe in the same video we can discover what's wrong with that one and see if we can fix that iPod 4 Photo. And so that's for the next 2 weeks. That's what we're going to be doing. This week will just be a introduction video to the new members, so thank you for signing up again. I really do appreciate that. 150 people, 151 people actually. Thank you. That's quite amazing. I'm very pleased with that. More are welcome, and if you enjoy what you see here, by all means sign up. I really appreciate that. And so yeah, this will be next. Looking forward to it. Next week this video should hit the channel. So thank you for tuning in. We will talk soon, and I hope you have a good week. Thank you.